Hey guys, so this video is for 4th and 5th grade reading. I am going to be going over this worksheet. There's actually two worksheets. It's page 6 and 7. It says beginning and ending consonants. So we're going to be talking about this. We have done this in class, so this is kind of like a review for you. Okay, so at the top up here, the instructions, I'm going to read those. It says, look at each picture below. On the first line, write the word that names the picture and circle the beginning consonant. And remember, a consonant is all the other letters in the alphabet except for A, E, I, O, and U. Sorry guys, if you hear my dogs, I'm at home. So now it says on the second line, write a word from the box that has the same beginning consonant. So remember, beginning of the word and a consonant, all the other letters in the alphabet except for A, E, I, O, and U. So that's like B, C, D, all of those other letters. So what is that first picture of? That is a feather. So I'm going to write it here on my board, not on the paper. So, feather. Now, we're going to look back at the words that are at the top of the box up there, and we're going to figure out what word will go with that. So, those words that we have hippo, we have latch, we have fox, and we have key. Okay? So, remember, beginning consonant, the beginning letter of that word, and that is F. So what word in that will go with it? Hippo, latch, fox, or key? Probably fox. So underneath that, you're going to write fox. Now, and it says on the second line, write that word for the same. So that is the same. Are these two the same? Yes. The F and the F. Okay. Now, the next picture. So go over. What is that picture of? It's a picture of a house. So I'm going to write it over here. House. Now, what's my beginning consonant? H. That is my beginning consonant. So of those words, will it be hippo, latch, or key? Hippo. Now, do both of my first letters begin with the same letter? Yes. Now, look at the bottom picture. What is that of? Lion. So, L-I-O-N. And L is my beginning consonant. So, of those two, the last two words that we have latch and key. So, what word will go with it? Latch. And that is an L as well. Now, look at the last picture over there. It is a picture of a kite. So, I'm going to write kite. Now, there's only one word left. What word is left? Key. Now, do my beginning consonants have the same starting sound? Yes. All right, so now we just did the top part. Let's do the bottom part. Okay, now, the bottom part right here, I'm going to read them. Or read it. It says, circle the word that correctly completes each sentence below. So on number 1, I'm not going to write this on my board. I'm just going to read it and then you can circle it. Okay. So it says, on sunny days, Cameron and Jess like to go to the blank. Is it reach, beach, or peach? Go to the reach? No. Go to the beach? Maybe. Go to the peach? That doesn't sound right. So what would my answer be? It would be beach. So that middle one. Okay, number 2. Please rinse out the blank after you take a shower. So is it tub, rub, or cub? So please rinse out the tub. Please rinse out the rub. Or please rinse out the cub. Which one sounds the best? Circle which one you think sounds best. Number 3. So number 3. Hamid will be blank years old on Saturday. Is it vine, line, or 9? So vine, line, 9. Number 4. Has anyone gone underground to explore the blank? Is it save, cave, or rave? save, cave, rave. Circle which one you think is best. Number 5, every time we do laundry, I end up missing one blank. Is it sock, rock, or lock? Sock, rock, lock. Okay. Once you get finished with that, you can pause this video if you need a little more time. But I'm going to go ahead and go over to the second page. So it is page number 7, and it says beginning and ending consonants day 6. So I'm going to read the directions and we're going to go over it. Okay, so it says look at each picture below. On the first line, write the word that names the picture. Okay, so we're on the first line, we're going to name that picture. And circle the ending consonant. So ending means at the end of the word. So we're going to write it and then circle it. It says on the second line, write a word from the box that has the same ending consonant. So I'm going to get my board. What is that first picture of right here? A flag. So I'm going to write flag, but it's F-L-A-G. Now we're looking at the ending consonant. Sorry, guys. Consonant. So that's right here. So that's letter G. That is a consonant. Okay. So now look at the words up here and we got to figure out what word the ending is the same. Is it grill, mix, hiss, wig, ask, get? So we're looking for the ending consonant, guys. So look at those words and figure out which one has the same ending. So look, I think it's wig. So you can circle them. So is that the same endings? Yes, it is. Now look at the next one. So go over. What is that? That's grass. So I'm going to write grass over here. And my ending sound is what? The S. Okay? So look at those words. Is it grill, mix, hiss, ask, or get? What do you think it is? Hiss. So the S is the ending. And look, there is 2 on each one. So you could compare that as well. All right, look at the next one. What is that of? Bell. Now, what's my ending on that? The L. Circle it. Then, look at the words. Which one would go with it? Grill, mix, hiss, wig, ask, or get? Grill. Both of them have L's. Okay, now look at the picture over. So this picture right here, what is that? It's a picture of an ant. So what is my ending? T. So what word at the top will go with it? We have, what do we have left? We have mix, ask, and get. So that's a T. So which one? Get. Make sure you circle that T. Okay, what is that last picture, or that picture right there of? Mask. So, M-A-S-K. So, what is my ending? Mask. It's a K. So, of those words, what word will go with it? Ask or mix? Ask. And the K is the ending. Look at that last picture. What is that last picture of? It's the number 6. So 6. What is my ending consonant? The X. So what word do I have left? Mix. I'm going to circle it. There's my top part. Okay? Now, since that is done, I'm going to go down to the bottom part. I'm not going to write it on the board. I'm just going to read it for you. So, this bottom part down here. Okay, so now it says read each word. Change the last letter of the word to make a new word. Write the new word on the line. Your new word should rhyme with the 3 words below it. Okay, change my mind. We are going to do this on the board. I thought it was something different. Okay, so we're going to be taking our words that they gave us on that first line, and we're going to be changing the ending to make it rhyme. Okay, so that first one at the top, it says stab. So our ending is the B. Now, look at the bottom ones down there. We have car, far, and jar. What do those all end in? R. So that means I'm going to change this B to a R. So I'm going to keep the STA because I did not change that. I'm only going to be changing that last letter, and that's the B. And I'm going to be changing it to an R. So what's my new word? Star. So you need to be writing that on that first line right there. Look at number 2. It says trim. What is my ending consonant? M right here. I'm going to circle it. So now look at the words down underneath. It says rip, sip, and skip. Okay, so what do those all end in? They all end in P's. So that means that I'm going to leave my T-R-I. T-R-I. What am I going to replace it with? A P. So what is my new word? Trip. Make sure you write that on that line. Now, look at number 3. It says lisp. My ending consonant is P. Now, look at those words again. It says fist, wrist, mist. So what word or what letter do those all end in? They all end in T's. So that means I'm going to leave my L-I-S. So L-I-S. I'm going to change this P to a T. So what's my new word? List. So write that on that blank. Look at number 4. This is the last one, guys. It says fork. My ending letter is K. So now look at those bottom look at those bottom words, and it says sport, short, and snort. Okay, so we have fork, but we're going to change that K to what letter? What letter do all those other words share? They share T. So that means I'm going to leave the F-O-R. F-O-R. Now, what am I going to change that K to? What was the letter that they all shared in common? T. So what's my new word? Fort. So you need to write that on that line on number 4. This concludes day 6 for reading for 4th and 5th grade. I will be posting these. I'm going to try to get them uploaded to YouTube so you can get those. I also posted the work on Google Classroom. So if you can print it, awesome. If not, you can write on notebook paper. And if you cannot do that, the school will be will be contacting you and letting you know when you can pick up packets. I'm not sure when that'll happen, but I'm just trying to make videos so you can have them at your convenience. Bye, guys.